Hello, let's do a pole sit. I'm going to show you what it looks like first, and then I'll break it down. There are a lot of variations of pole sits, and when you first try them, they're going to hurt. But the more you do them, the easier it gets. One way to get into them is by lifting one leg up really high and then bending through the bottom leg and then grabbing onto the pole as you kind of pivot around. That allows you to wrap your hips around the pole a little bit and get your thighs on the pole. So this is one way to get into a pole sit. Breathe. And then as the thighs grab, then I bring the bottom leg up and cross at the knees. Good. Coming out the same way you came in. So a couple of tips. That top leg you want to be higher. So you're hiking one hip up high, squeezing the side oblique, and then imagining that you're turning, internally rotating your thighs towards each other. So let me do this at a different angle. So here, lift up high, and then I sit down so you can see one hip is higher than the other. So the inside of the thigh of the top leg and the back of the leg on the bottom leg are really what's touching the pole. So you have a few options once you're here. You can cross at the knees, or you can cross at the ankles, or you can do a little scissor sit. Any way is good. Make sure you try both sides of the body and breathe the whole time. So that's one way where you're kind of wrapping around. Another way is to do a small lift. So your hands will go high, your elbows will be facing the sky, and then think about, your biceps will face the sky, elbows face the ground, and pull elbows into your sides. That'll give you a little bit of a lift to cross. One hip is higher, the other one is lower. That's your pole sit.